Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey. So today we are playing with the Juvias Place Tribe palette. So this did just launch, and I just got this today, which it only took a few days to get here, which is pretty nice. And I also did order 2 other palettes that I previously owned for a giveaway. So if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you do that now. And also, if you have not, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that way you can be informed every single time I upload a new video. You guys don't want to miss it. Anyways, so there's some controversy with this palette. I will give you guys that right now. It is beautiful. Don't get me wrong. It is very beautiful, but you guys will just have to watch this video to see what I'm talking about, because I did create this eye look. So if you guys want to see how I created this eye look and what I'm talking about with the controversy, you know, your girl don't really like to get involved with some tea, but I got some tea today. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you just keep watching this video, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you guys comment down below and just tell me any of your comments, concerns, questions. I love to hear what you guys have to say, and I really appreciate reading all your comments. You guys are all so sweet, and I love you all so much. Like I said, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would be much appreciated. And with that, I will go ahead and jump on into this video. Alright guys, as you can see, I have one eye done already, but I will just be 100% honest with you from the jump. I have done 3 looks now, and this is what I could come up with. I really wanted to do something different because the people that I have seen review this have done this look or something very similar. And one, either I feel like the colors do not go together the way I thought they would, or they just did not look right. And I'll tell you something, I struggled. And I have not struggled this hard with a Juvias palette ever. If you guys want to see what I'm talking about, just keep watching, and I'm about to do this eye on camera for you guys. So yeah, just check this out. First things first, I'm going to take my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Medium 1 Custard on this BH Cosmetics 102 flat brush. And I'm going to prime my eyes with that. Okay, so the first step for this eye, what I did is I took this Morphe PK 524 brush, and I went into the shade right here, this green shade. Sorry, my camera, the white balance is off, so it's changing colors because of the contrast of the colors. But anyway, I'm going into this shade. I will leave the color names at the bottom of the screen because I cannot say half of these. Anyway, I took it on this brush and I just started to pack that into my crease. And then I tapped off all the excess and I just blended with what was left on my brush. And then I went into this shade, which is like a yellowy green shade. On a Morphe M562 brush, I just started to blend that and use that as my transition shade. Blending those 2 colors into one another. I tried using the orange earlier as a transition shade, and oh my god, it looked so muddy and horrible. It was just bad. Okay, and then next I went in with this Eco Tools brush into this very deep, like greenish blue shade right here. And I tapped that on the outer part of my eyelid. This is where the trouble starts, guys. And then I went back in with my M562 brush into that same deep shade, and I started to blend that into my crease, and like it skips like in this spot right here. I don't know if you can see that, but like there's like a piece missing in the middle. It's weird, and it's just, I don't know, the blend does not look very good. I've been sitting here for a while trying to blend this out. I've used multiple brushes and it's just, it does not look that great, and there's really not a whole lot I can do about it. And actually, now that I think about it, it kind of did the same thing in the Afrique palette. I don't know, like, if it's just the formula or what, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just try to pack on some shadow right there in that spot that, like, I'm having issues with. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Okay, now that I am extremely irritated and blind, I'm gonna take this flat Morphe brush and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. So this shade has like a greenish shift to it. You can see that. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna use it dry, this flat fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna pack that right where I cut the crease. First I'm gonna put it on my finger and just apply it all over, and then take my brush to get up next to that line. And then I'm gonna go back in with my M562 brush into that deep color that we used on the outer part of the eyelid and just blend those two colors together. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish my face off camera real quick, and I will be right back to finish off the eyes. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and finish these eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm pretty much going to go in like the same order. I'm going to take this clean in 506 and I'm going to go into this shade first. And I'm just going to run that underneath my eye, and I'm going to smooth this one out pretty far. And I'm going to go back into this shade down here. And then taking this flat brush, I am going to take this shimmer right here that we used on the cut crease, and I'm going to just put that on my brow bone and on my inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to throw on some green eyeliner. This is the Sephora Collection waterproof eyeliner in the color Indulge Yourself. And I'm not going to do lashes because I'll tell you why in my final thoughts, but I am going to go ahead and put on my new The Rock Pro Lash Pomade that I just got in this month's BoxyCharm. If you want to see that video, go ahead and click up here. Alright guys, so this is the final result. Honestly, I feel like I have done this look or something like it before. I'll insert it up here if I can. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did this with the Zulu palette and my Colored Rain Vivid Pigments. Something almost just like this. Yeah, it was a halo eye instead. Okay, so let me just talk about this guy really fast. The reason I did not put lashes on is because I'm going to just go take this off. I'm not gonna put lashes on and waste my time doing all that because I'm just taking this right off. And I do that with a lot of my makeup. I don't really wear it anywhere. I do just like leave the house, but I won't lie, I'm frustrated, and like this has got me annoyed on like a whole new level. So if you guys have been a long time subscriber, you would know that Juvias Place is one of my favorite, if not my favorite brand eyeshadows. And don't get me wrong, like this color story is absolutely beautiful. Like this is a little weird because it's kind of like pukey brown, but I literally used almost every color in here. I don't think I used this shade on my actual eye. But like I said, I did multiple looks and I was recording them before I did this, but like you guys, I don't know, like it just did not go together. Like at first, the first look I did wasn't so bad, but it was this as my pack on, like my packed on shade, like I used the first green, then I used this as my transition shade, and then I used this on the inner and outer corner of my lid, and then I had this on the inner part of the halo, and it just did not look good. I'll try to leave a clip, but I don't know, I just feel like these don't go together. And on top of that, like the blend was not on par, especially this shade right here. I don't like it. I don't like it. And then this for Juvia's Place shadow, I don't feel like it showed up very well. It just doesn't seem like Juvia's Place is doing as good as they used to. I don't know, maybe it's just me personally, because I know I had a couple issues with the Afrique palette as well. I'll leave that video linked right here, the Shadow Showdown video, but I was having some issues with blending and patchiness, and like, they only want to stick if you have a wet base. Like, if you apply them on top of each other, it either A, cancels out the first color that you have laid down completely, or B, it blends patchy and it just does not look good. But I've never had this issue before the Afrique palette and then this one. But I have not got their two other new launches, the Warrior and I don't remember what the other one was. But those two, like the one that's all mattes and then the Warrior palette, because it's neutrals. You know me, guys, I don't really get those kind of palettes. So anyways, do I like this look? Yes. Do I feel like I have all these colors? Yes. Literally, I think the only colors I don't have in my collection are this one and this one. And honestly, I could do without that one, because when you put it on, it's not that pretty. But I mean, I feel like I have all these colors. Like in the Jaclyn Hill, this looks just like that, and so does this when you put this on. And this is pretty, but it doesn't look the same on the eye as it does in the pan. Like, it looks more blue here, and then it looks more greenish blue here. I don't know. It's small things to complain about, but when I spend my money on this, it's just, I have high expectations for Juvia's Place because I love their formula. But anyways, guys, I feel like I'm just rambling at this point, so I'm gonna just leave it at that. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know what you think of this palette. Are you wanting this palette? Did this change your opinion? Let me know everything and anything you think down below in the comments section. And make sure if you guys like this video, you give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!